Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a recommendation system with Netflix, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a recommendation system like Netflix, the first step is to understand the basics of recommendation systems. These systems typically function on two main approaches: collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Collaborative filtering leverages user interaction data to make recommendations. Start by collecting user data, including ratings, watch history, and preferences. Next, clean and pre-process the data to ensure accuracy and consistency. For collaborative filtering, use techniques such as user-based or item-based collaborative filtering. User-based filtering finds users with similar tastes and recommends items based on their preferences. Item-based filtering examines the relationships between items based on user behavior. If you opt for content-based filtering, create a profile for each item based on its features. Use metadata such as genre, director, actors, and descriptions to build these profiles. Next, implement a cosine similarity algorithm to measure how similar different items are to one another. Once you have your recommendation model, choose an evaluation metric to assess its performance. Common metrics include precision, recall, and F1 score. Split your data into training and testing sets to evaluate the model's effectiveness. After testing your model, use techniques such as cross-validation to ensure reliability. Once the system performs well, integrate it into a user interface for seamless interaction. Consider adding features like user feedback to improve recommendations over time. Lastly, monitor system performance. With ongoing adjustments and improvements, your recommendation system can evolve to meet user preferences more accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.